Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily add a custom image watermark to your PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. First, open up the application, select your PDF. Once you're here, make sure to click on the Edit PDF right over here. Then you will see an option, Watermark. Click on it, choose Add and go to file so we can select our image, click browse, then just choose any image you would like. For example, this. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So from here, you just need to adjust it based on how you would like to appear in your file. For example, opacity is very important to me. I'm just going to adjust it slightly over half. You can also do some rotations if you wish to. We have 45, none, and of course, we have the custom size or custom angles. Then you can also add any text you wish, but we are using the image. So for this, just select file, and then you also have other options in the positioning of your image. But once you're done, make sure to click on apply or OK. If you want to apply this to multiple files, click on it and it will look like this. And there you go. It applied to every single page I have on this file. Quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.